Go to this website, sign up for a Bitcoin wallet address, get your wallet address, paste it over here, click on start, and that is it. You are now mining Bitcoin at the rate of 1 Bitcoin every 45 minutes. Hi guys, how's it going? I'm back here with a brand new awesome way for you to make free Bitcoin on complete autopilot from the comfort of your bed. So in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a 1 Bitcoin every 45 minutes. So all you need for this method is a smartphone and an internet connection. I also made sure that this way of making Bitcoin is completely beginner friendly and searched hours on the web to make sure it is legit. This method also works worldwide, so it doesn't matter where you live. You can live in India, America, Pakistan, Russia. It doesn't matter where you live, you can still make money with this. No experience or skill is needed for this method whatsoever, but you have to make sure that you watch the whole video with focus, because if you don't watch the whole video with focus, then I'm afraid this method might not work for you. So make sure that you don't miss out on any important steps that are required to be as efficient as possible with this awesome app. And without any further ado, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. Now in step number 1, I want you to come over here on this website called bitcoin.org. So once you're here on this website, you're gonna see this webpage in front of you. Now what this website does is that it allows you to create a wallet for your Bitcoin currency, because whenever we mine Bitcoin, we need a wallet to store all the virtual currency, because Bitcoin is not like cash which you can keep in your wallet, because Bitcoin is a virtual currency. So we're gonna need a virtual wallet for it. So what this website does is that it provides you with a wallet for Bitcoin, and it also has various types of wallets, and it also has a lot of options which allow you to get the best wallet according to your specifications. So the best part about this website is that this website is free and it's not going to charge you a cent. So you can even buy Bitcoin from this website, but we are going to just mine it for free. You know, like, why buy it when we can mine it for absolutely free? So just click on choose your wallet and it's gonna take you over here. Now just click on next and this is going to take you to this web page. Now over here they have these questions, and if you answer these questions properly according to your liking, then you are gonna get a wallet exactly to your specifications. So first we have to choose what our operating system is. So firstly we have Android, we have iOS if you're using a mobile phone, but if you're on a computer then you have Linux, Mac OS and Windows as well. So I usually use Windows. You can even choose Android, whichever operating system that you have. And on the bottom we can see all the pros and cons of both these methods. So like we can see that environment enables users to have complete control over funds, and that is a pretty good thing. And some desktop wallets offer hardware wallet support. Now we are not going to be using hardware wallets because I personally prefer virtual wallets. Hardware wallets are not that secure. You know, like virtual wallets are basically more secure. So you can see the cons over here as well, but we're just gonna move on to the next option. Now over here you can even choose to have like hardware wallets, but we are not gonna do that because we don't want hardware wallets. So we are just gonna stick to Windows and we're gonna have a virtual wallet. So once you've read everything and you've chosen the operating system that you want, just click on next and it's gonna take you to this page. Now over here, I'm gonna be honest and I'm gonna click on new, because as most of you all watching this right now, you all are gonna be beginners. So it is best that you choose new instead of experienced, because when you select the option new, then that's gonna guide you a lot instead of clicking on experienced, and then you're not gonna know anything that's happening in the website. So just click on new and click on next. So now we are being asked the criteria which is more important to us. So for us, the most important thing is that we want low fees and we also want full control over our wallet. This means that no third party can freeze or take away our funds. So just check both of these, and then we also want the transparency, because transparency is very important for us in any kind of a situation. So just check all of these three, and once you've checked them, just click on next. And once you click on next, it's gonna ask you what features are you looking for. So we want two-factor authentication so that no other person can log into our account easily. And other than that, everything else is not what we need right now. So we are just gonna click on next. So now over here we have our wallet. So it has selected Electrum wallet as the best wallet based upon our specifications. So Electrum wallet is going to be the best thing that's going to support us in our cryptocurrency journey, because the questions we just answered were analyzed and this wallet has been given to us for our mining journey. So once I click on Electrum, it's going to take me to their website. Now over here we can see that all the features that this wallet has, and we can just like scroll down on and we can see everything else that this wallet also has. So once you have your wallet set up, I'm gonna move on to step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, I want you to come over here on this website called bitcoin-live.app. Now this website is the website that's gonna mine us Bitcoin, 1 Bitcoin every 45 minutes. Now over here they also have a very nice affiliate program. Now what affiliate programs does is that whenever somebody signs up using your affiliate link, you are going to be getting 70% of the deposit of each client that comes through your link. So you're going to be earning more money using the affiliate link as well. Now this is really important if you have a social media following, or if you run a crypto page, then you can just copy this affiliate link and you can just simply post it as a post on your Instagram page, and all the people that sign up can just basically use your link and you are gonna get 70% of the deposits that they do. So like this is a very nice way to make money as well. So moving back to the point, so what this website does is that it mines Bitcoin for you very easily. We can check out their pricing. Now the pricing is very standard. You have a daily crypto key that's gonna mine Bitcoin daily. You have a weekly crypto key that's gonna mine Bitcoin for you weekly, and all these plans are very affordable. And you also have a monthly crypto key. Now for my personal use, I use the monthly crypto key option because this is the best bang for your buck. The money they are charging is very small as compared to the outcome that you're going to be getting. So your average earnings are going to be 1.0 to 3.0 BTC. Now BTC stands for Bitcoin. So just choose the pricing plan which suits you the best, because all three are affordable. So just choose the one which you like and which works for you the best. And once you've chosen that, just click on buy and it's gonna take you to another page. And now over here you can just buy it and you can copy your Bitcoin address for your payment. So what this is gonna do is that you're just gonna copy this link and you're gonna paste it over here on your Electrum wallet, and whenever this website mines 1 Bitcoin or 2 Bitcoins, those Bitcoins are gonna be sent to your wallet, so you can rest assured that you can cash out easily. So once that's done, now we are gonna start mining Bitcoin. So just simply click on start and it's gonna take you to the mining page again. Once you buy a plan, it's gonna take you to another page which I'm gonna show you right now in step number 3. Step number 3. So in step number 3, just click on start mining and it's gonna start mining Bitcoin for you. Now it's gonna take a while before it mines Bitcoin, but once that's done, you're gonna see the results, and the results are gonna surprise you a lot, because you're gonna be mining 1 to 3 Bitcoins every single month or every single day depending upon your plan. So like right now it is the 12th of January and it is 2021, and right now the price of 1 Bitcoin is $35,920 US. Now my friends, that is just 1 Bitcoin. So just think about, if you could mine 1 Bitcoin in just 45 minutes, how much money you can make every single day. So once you've mined your Bitcoin, it's going to be sent to your wallet. Now from over here, you can just cash out using PayPal, Payoneer, or straight to your bank account. So guys, like this is it. This is how you can mine Bitcoin very easily from the comfort of your home, all on autopilot and all very easily. So guys, this can be another additional income source for you, because in 2021 we all need another income source, because it is really important. Because of COVID, people are losing their jobs, their businesses are falling down. So like it is very good if you have something on the back. So guys, this is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give the video a like, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Till next time, peace.